our playground. Come, let's play. Oh, oh, Lisa takes the lead, dancing through the gallery speed. Designs that pop in the Nordic light. We're art detectives, hold on tight. Explosive, catchy, art explore with Lisa. Hey, hey, spin the room like a disco ball. The future's bright in this art hall. From the egg chair to the stars we scroll. Like a retro video game. Pixel sculptures, a digital type. Swan chairs floating, let's take a ride. Every frame's a TikTok trend. Art's alive till the lasers bend. Oh, 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 Lisa takes the lead, dancing through the gallery speed. Designs that pop in the Nordic light. We're art detectives, hold on tight. Explosive, catchy, explore with Lisa. Hey, hey, spin the room like a disco ball. The future's bright in this art hall. From the egg chair to the stars we scroll. Like a retro video game. Rewind, pause, zoom in closer. See that detail, now we're golden. Rewind, pause, zoom in closer. See that detail, now we're golden. Rewind, pause, zoom in closer. See that detail, now we're golden. Rewind, pause, zoom in closer. See that detail, now we're golden. You explore with Lisa. Hey, hey, museums buzzing, we're in control. River pictures bright in this art hall. From the egg chair to the stars we scroll. Explore with Lisa. Hey, hey, spin the room like a disco ball. Now the future's bright in this art hall. From the egg chair to the stars we scroll. Like a retro video game. Walking through Trapholt, the walls start to breathe.
Colors twist sideways, do you see what I see?
Shapes in the shadows, they whisper, they stare. Lisa's laughing, this one's a dare. Brushstrokes like lightning, a face stretched so wide. Is it screaming or singing? Let's step inside. Closer, closer, now don't look away. Dizzy with madness, but oh, what a view. Ready for the moment, here's your cue. KVIUM in the frame. With wow, electric pain. Trapholt's heartbeats in this room. Explore with Lisa. We're part of the Zoom.
Now vibing with the painting's energy.
Eyes follow us, but they're grinning so bright.
Like they know we'll be back before midnight.
Lisa snaps pics while the colors collide.
This isn't just art, it's the ultimate ride.
Pause, rewind, what's hiding there? GM secrets are everywhere.
Dance with the chaos, don't overthink. This is the magic. Wink.
KVIUM in
made it this far, you're a legend. Thanks so much for watching till the end, I truly appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, take care and have a lovely day.